Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. So, IKEA opened last week. I like IKEA. I love IKEA. I haven't been to IKEA in a very long time, except I went today. I've bought some bits. Haven't bought a lot, so just thought I'd do a mini haul just to show you what I've bought. Originally, I wanted a fake plant. I don't want a tree, but I don't want a plant. I kind of want a in between size thing. I thought I won't want to go back to next to my TV. I've kind of changed around my living room, uh, but I don't like it, so I might move it again. I kind of want something like here, so I thought maybe get a plant and have it draped over. I don't know, but moral of the story is I've been everywhere and they're so expensive. Why are fake plants so expensive? I mean, like I went to the range and I seen one I liked and it was £30. I was like, yeah, that's too much. So IKEA, go to IKEA and they're like £40. I'm like, do you grow money? Seriously? Anyway, point of this video, IKEA. So, first thing we've got, check out this bag. They've got Pride bags. Oh my god. This was £1.50 and it's just right there as soon as you walk in. Love it. I love a good IKEA bag. I must have about 20. Not even exaggerating. So, what have I bought? I bought, you know what? Everyone's talking about them, and people say like it's a game changer. So I bought some straws. These are metal straws. I thought I'd get down with the kids, and like I don't know why I was doing air quotes then. I thought I would see what the hype is. Do I like metal straws? We shall see. People say it's a completely different taste and it's for the better. So, don't even know how much these are. Yes, I do actually. No, I don't actually. I haven't got receipts. So these was like £1 to £2 something. So I do like the colours. I like this black one, and you get a cleaner. Then I don't even know. I don't even know if I can go to IKEA without buying some of these. I think these was actually 75p. I love a good spatula. I love some prongs and a spoon. I did have more of these, but when I split up with my ex a while back, I left loads of stuff at his, and I miss half the stuff that I left at his. I really wish I took all my stuff with me, but hey ho, replacing. Another thing I happened to leave at my ex-boyfriend's. These, I love them. I bought two of them. These are, shall we open one? I had one of these. Oh, yes, somebody else has it now. £2, these are. You can get two different sizes, or maybe three. And you've got like little legs. So you've got like little legs. That goes there. That goes there. There's a little table. I thought about getting it to like put behind these schools so we can display things maybe. So yes, I've got two of these, £2 each, bargain. You can like the size of that is the size of the other one, so you could have like a big one and then that one on top and have it out like stairs. If you know, you know. So I got them. I honestly didn't buy much. I've got like 3 things left. I got a bin. £1. £1 for a bin. Still probably ain't gonna use it. The amount of times that like I'm opening makeup or sitting here and I just chuck the rubbish on the floor. Haven't got a bin, but now I have. Is the rubbish still gonna go on the floor? Probably. It was £1, but it was probably a waste of £1 because like I've already used it as a tripod, not even as a bin. So then I got a mirror. Right, I'm gonna put this on the floor because honestly I'm gonna break something. Move that close. A mirror. Let's open this mirror. This was £20. I seen one. It was like an L-shaped one, just a mirror, and that was £19. And I'm like, £19 is a bit too much for a mirror. Then I seen this one, and it was £20. So it cost more than the £19 one, but I only buy £1. But I like this one better, and it's bigger. Not like the size matters, but if you know, you know. Oh my god, the rubbish actually went into the bin. It's got its juice. Ow. Oh my god, it's ready made. I was gonna think, like, is it gonna be like unmade for like 3 years? Okay, it's not ready made. Oh, there's only like 2 screws, so. Oh my god, you can put it on the wall as well. Mirror. Right, as I say, 2 screws. Shall we see if I can actually do this without messing it up? Because if I don't do this on camera, it ain't gonna get done. Oh, okay, there's 4 bits. I also went because I do want to get some new pieces, like bigger furniture, but I ain't got a clue what I want. I'm not one of those people. I can't talk. I'm not one of those people who think, right, I want something what looks like this size, this shape, this colour. I'm just like, if I see it, I see it, and that's the moral of the story. So I thought if I go have a nosy, and if I see something I like, I can go back and get it. But I'm also thinking about moving. I don't know. Where do you put these nuts? I've literally got to read instructions to understand how to put 2 screws in. So it is washer, topper, screw. No, washer, screw. Wait, what? So I think you put that there. That's there maybe. Washer. Where's the washer? I've got a washer. But they don't reach. Okay, let's just do that later. So the other couple of bits bought is a cake mix. I got this in like the supermarket thingy after the checkouts. Yeah, so chocolate muffins. But what interests me is you don't add eggs. Normally with mixes like this, you've still got to add eggs. It's just water. You mix it in this and then you pour. This was £2 something. I'm going to do it for a video. Look out for that. Then the final piece of stuff I bought is this. This is Dime Marabou. It's chocolate with Dime like stuff in it. If you like Dime, you'll probably like this. Let's try some. But the question is, oh my god, yes, I've been doing some tie-dyeing. Don't know what's going to come first, this video or the tie-dyeing video, but hey ho. This is the question. Is it Dime or Dame? To me, it's Dime because that's how you say it. And if you say Dame, then that's wrong. Let's try these. I'm just presuming it's chocolate with that, like, Dime in it. Ow. Sharp. Yeah, that's nice. So, all of that came to about £35, give or take a couple of pence. But yeah, that is my mini haul. If you've got any of these stuff, let me know down below. And yeah, leave any comments that you want, and I shall see you in my next video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.